Okay, this was is the usually wrong file name. If they enter the file that is not there, right? And this is the error that I think I showed you that about how to handle that error, right? Okay, so let's talk about. So okay, let me go back to let's see where it was. Remember or we can write our new code. So what I'm gonna do is let's see, so maybe I can show from here. So that so I Python Visma. So let me see where I'm at. Visma, I can probably, yeah, I'll open that by probably this nano. I, yeah, that should be it. Okay, yeah, so okay, so ISMA, like really ISMA, it's just a file editor, nano file editor. That's it, text editor. Okay. So using what it's like I am. So obviously ISMA, so what I can do is. First, let me show you. I mean, last time you got everything. Just going to comment this out. I'll come back to this. So under your normal code, man. So file input, enter a file name. I know, and usually file name enter variable C and count 0 also for line in FN. Yeah, it's fine. I need this. Rather, yeah, Oracle explain. Fn is equal to and open file, right? And this is these are all regular engine pilot very. So we see it very control X axis. And I go back to I can do it Python. Well, then this script library, I will run that script, right? File open that file, run that script. Rather, let's so you got to enter a file name and see what yeah, well, I give file say the let me see the enumeration of file. Let's try that. Let's okay, so this is what I get. Right? This is the contents, array line and print that as well. So it means all the lines. This number of lines is 13, right? 13 lines. So this is fine and good, right? Everything worked out fine. I know. But what about this? Orco case let's see. Right? What about this? If I enter a file name that is not there, right? That's fine. It's not work file rate enumeration file open by output.txt. I give something that's not there. I say anything. So what happens? It's so error. A file not found error. Most is file or directory. Any. So essentially you're using error file. It's not a good thing. Right? So we need to deal with this. Right? Like what's your deal? Let's see how do we do that. So I go back to my file. Right? I go back to my file. So you open that file, right? You open file. So nano file open dot right? So you it's normally about I need to do some kind of error handling. Okay? Error handling. Let's see. This could consider into I can try. Okay? Try and you want to try the code that is likely to exception, right? And let's do that. I don't need this anymore. This because I have it there. Right? Even delete this. Okay, obviously, we probably I don't even. Right? So okay, so we like control version, right? Yes, I wrote that. Okay, अब यहाँनिर के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि अब फाइलको नेम लियो हैन नेम लियो अनि यसले यहाँ चाहिँ ट्राई विथ f-handed code to open that file छ नि यो एक्जिक्युट हुँदाखेरि if it throws any kind of error के पनि error आयो भने चाहिँ successfully open भएन error आयो means के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि it will this except भन्ने block छ नि यसले चाहिँ ह्यान्डल गर्छ के त्यसलाई सो हाम्रो एक्जिक्युसन एन्ट्री यहाँ एन्ट्री गर्छ राइट it will enter here यहाँ एन्ट्री गरेर अनि यो यसमा जे छ यसमा चाहिँ के छ यो प्रिन्ट छ है सो दिस विल प्रिन्ट एन्ड द प्रोग्राम विल एक्जिट है त्यो हुन्छ यदि चाहिँ if the file opens successfully without any problem then यसलाई इग्नोर गर्छ it just goes in this normal execution right कुरा बुझ्नुभयो so let me exit this okay, let's try again right same thing let's try again so this side okay so obviously you as this so I do python file open.py and this now what I'm going to do is keep something that's not there right it's the bogus bogus file right it's not there that's finally right see wait a minute I can find UI okay wait exit here so let me go back and fix that right? Because I'm still seeing the trace back right? trace back on that side. So rather what I'll do is I will I'll put that exit, the exit too, because otherwise it's not going to mix it. So put the exit. And control X. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, so you're so again. Non-existent. So sorry, I can't find the file. Non-existent. Very nice, clean message. Right? So it doesn't show you the results. It doesn't show you that. Either. Okay, so you could clear with my life. Okay, do you want to see the code again? Let's about your Costa Rica. Okay? So our normal like say yeah, file in the hiri, normally so it was successful but the accept now there. It doesn't go there. And this go normal execution answer and not a problem. Yadi any exception any problem. The exception the exception right you handle you execute and you execute exit person right any questions okay all right so let's well, let me go back to this try accept open exit. About how do you write to file? Okay. Next thing we're going to do is how do you write to file? File was right. Okay. So let's see. So what I can do is I can write. I think I write. So here, okay. So what I can do is, okay, I want to write to a file, write to a file. Okay, write to a file. So what I can do is, I can do this. F-out is equal to, okay, and this is open the mirror, right? Let's see, my output dot txt. This and open like it opens in write mode, W mode, right mode. Open entry and this specifically can do is f out dot write. F out dot write, and yes, when you yes, I am writing from this line from okay. So we say orco line, orco next line, check orco line house. Is the next lesson. Okay. And this is the 36 characters to the right. Okay, and this is fairy. I'm going to write another line. Orco line. So, this is line number 2. Right? Okay. I wrote 2 lines. Yeah, but my third line. Okay. I am writing this line from Python. This is line number 2. Right? Okay. So, let's see. Yes, ma'am. Say. So if I do ls, yeah, my output.txt. But let's see if there's something in there. Let's find out. If I do a cat, cat will Linux. This you couldn't even use a file. This content is there. So you have cat. So my output.txt is nothing in there. Keep in check. Why? Because now you have the right we need to close the string, right? Let's say an output string and close now we're going to write. Okay. So I need to close this string. Let's close this string. F out strings and like close you close. See now if I catch like cat version, see now I'm seeing this. I'm writing this line in Python this time. You see my output.txt your file is this, right? Your content. I can show you nano editor. So my output.txt. So I'm writing this file. Right? See, see that it's there. Okay, so we have some key questions writing to a file. Okay. All right. Okay, so now next thing I'm going to show is how to append to a file. Okay, this file, fairy or file name, write mode replace right? Wipe out replace rather replace now I want to my orco line output my output.txt I want to add one more line. Right? How can I do that? Okay, let's see. Okay, so I'm going to again. So let's say f out is equal to open and give that file name that is already there. Right? Let's see. Where's my name? My output. And हामीले अब चाहिँ मोड के हुन्छ append a भनेको चाहिँ append mode है अघि राइट मोडमा गरे अहिले चाहिँ append है हामीले के पनि दिएन भने के मोड यसरी ओपनमा हामीले के पनि दिएन यो मोड दिएन भने के मोड read right है के हामीले रिड गर्दाखेरि त्यो दिएको थिएन अन्त r लेखे पनि हुन्छ नदिए पनि read mode okay, so let's see the f article open by here. I want to add one more file and one more line. F out dot write. I am appending this. Right? Okay. All right. So this should be good. And this should be good. And I'm looking on today. F out dot close. Okay. F out dot close. Okay. Let's close this. Okay. And let's find out without. Let's do so. And I my output.txt. So let's see what's in there. nano my output.txt, right? Sorry. Python. See, I should. Okay, so this way you see you can write, you can append. This is one. Okay, questions? Yes, okay, no problem. Okay, so it's something kitab master. Please try them out. Please try them out. Okay. Close the debug. Take a look. So okay, pretty much. I think we finished with file handling part. This ini I think. So this exercise we've been trying. I think I haven't done this. It's going to exercise there. So you can try. Please try this. Right? Try it. That's how you learn. Okay. Okay. Any questions? Yes. त्यसमा चाहिँ अब you can send through email नै पठाउनुहुन्छ email मै पठाउनुहोस् अनि मैले चाहिँ यो ग्रेड गरेर मैले मेरो स्प्रेडशीट मेरो रेकर्डमा राख्छु हैन मैले चाहिँ अनि I send you the feedback है तपाईहरुको feedback चाहिँ है okay so that's the so now the next thing we're going to talk about or look at is let's see
sir
that's
you if you put a two or more file बनाउन सकिन्छ राइट गर्न सकिन्छ
sorry मैले बुझिन
एकैपटक धेरैवटा फाइल बनाउन सकिन्छ भनेको
एकैचोटि धेरैवटा फाइल चाहिँ राइट गर्नको लागि एकैचोटि हुँदैन होला एकचोटिमा एउटा सो एटलिस्ट त्यो ओपन कमान्ड ओपनबाट भयो त्यसले चाहिँ एकचोटिमा एउटा मात्र फाइल चाहिँ मल्टिपल
सर यो त्यो एरर ह्यान्डलिङमा लजिकल एरर भनेको चाहिँ के कस्तो एरर छ
ओके त्यो एरर चाहिँ लजिकल होइन लजिकल एरर भनेको तपाईको लजिकल एररले त्यसरी स्ट्याक ट्रेस हाल्दैन लजिकल एरर चाहिँ डिफरेन्ट जस्तै लेट्स टक तीन किसिमको एरर हुन्छ के हो भन्नुस् त ट्राई गर्नुस् त देयर आर थ्री काइन्ड्स अफ एरर्स व्हाट आर दे
syntax error runtime error or logical error
very good yeah syntax error okay what is syntax error okay let's see yeah code my errors जस्तै भनौं न यही हो so मैले चाहिँ print हैन print x लेख्नु पर्ने हैन यस्तो छ हैन okay anyway so यस्तो लेख्नु पर्ने छ print 3 so see that's syntax error so that's what I did मैले जे गरे नि that is syntax error जस्तै मैले लेख्नु पर्ने यो तर मैले प्रिन्ट लेख्दाखेरि हैन prnt लेखे हैन यो गरे clearly this is syntax error हैन यो चाहिँ syntax error हैन syntax मा error छ नि है okay अब अर्को चाहिँ के भयो runtime error है runtime error मा जस्तै or I in what could be stay runtime error stay high okay अब यो चाहिँ के भयो भन्दाखेरि यो चाहिँ runtime error किन भन्दाखेरि यो आफैमा त्यो के रे सिन्ट्याक्समा के एरर छैन सिन्ट्याक्समा के गडबड छैन यहाँ चाहिँ सिन्ट्याक्समै गडबड छ नि यहाँ सिन्ट्याक्स गडबड छैन तर जब रन हुन्छ अनि त्यति बेला चाहिँ अब यो यसले चेक गर्दाखेरि अनि यो कम्पेयर गर्न खोज्छ अनि देयर इज नो वे टु डु हैन भनेपछि नाउ त्यो एरर आउँछ यस्तै चाहिँ हामी के भन्छौँ के भन्छौँ है रन टाइम एरर हैन रन टाइम रन हुँदाखेरि तपाईको रन हुने बेला मात्रै थाहा हुन्छ कि रन भइसकेपछि रादर भइसकेपछि अनि ठ्याक्क त्यहाँ रन हुँदा हुँदै यो ठाउँमा गएर ठ्याक्क अनि ट्रिप हुन्छ है ओके अनि अर्को चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि अर्को लजिकल एररको यस्तो यस्तो आउँदैन त्यो झन् खतरनाक हुन्छ because you don't know there's an error जस्तै तपाईको def add that's हैन अनि हैन तपाईले रिटर्न गर्दाखेरि रिटर्न गर्नुलाई x हैन यस्तो गर्नु अब यो गर्दाखेरि add हैन 2 3 4 so यसमा एरर आयो त छैन एरर आएन तर के छ is it giving me the correct result I'm meaning to add no it's not giving me remember 7 आउनु पर्ने हो नि 0.75 आइरहेछ भनेपछि of course this is logical error है logical error ले तपाईले कुनै यो दिदैन के हैन stack trace दिदैन हैन error trace दिदैन थाहै हुँदैन okay बुझ्नुभयो so question actually के थियो so यो त error को बारे भयो अनि के फाइल नपाउने भनेको कुन चाहिँ error हो सोध्नु भयो कि मैले सोध्नु भयो कसले सोध्नु हेलो आई सोध्नु भयो क्वेशन कसले सोध्नु did I answer your question or
मैले चाहिँ एकैपटक चाहिँ 2 or more फाइल बन्छ भनेर सोधेको सर
ए हैन ओके त्यो भन्दैन आई थिंक आई आन्सर त्यसरी भन्दैन एउटा गर्नुपर्छ अनि अर्को एररको बारे कसरी सोधिरहेको
सर मैले नि सोधेको
ओके ओके सो त्यो पनि त्यो क्लियर भयो इज दैट क्लियर
भयो
ओके सो अब चाहिँ हामी नेक्स्ट थिङ व्हाट वी गोइङ टु डु इज वी गोइङ talk about
त्यो ट्राई क्याच गरेको फाइनली ब्लक पनि छ
ओके ओके फाइनली के गर्छौं यो फाइनली भनेको चाहिँ alright फाइनली के गर्छौं भने ट्राई क्याच गरे नि त्यो फाइनली चाहिँ ब्लक चाहिँ रन हुन्छ कि जस्तै यसैमा here so finally we're adding okay let's open that file yeah no file so the isma try accept and finally change finally गरे भने चाहिँ यो चाहिँ after accept पछि हैन accept भइसकेपछि then it will do other say like stream close हैन so त्यो कुराहरु यहाँ फाइनलमा त्यो यो हैन यो एक्सेप्सन आएपछि चाहिँ हैन यो फाइनली रन हुन्छ कि फाइनली चाहिँ रन हुन्छ है यहाँनिर हैन bye for now try again okay. Let's try this in Control X. Let's try this. So what I can do is see if I can enter a file name, bogus file name. Try for now. Try again. Okay. I didn't exit. I exited. So let me go back there. You fix it. So let's fix that. So after you're done, finally go there. I mean, exit. So let's put that exit. Now it should be nice. Okay. All right. So like this. Right. Finally when you see to accept by see and finally run हुन्छ त्यसले गर्दा के हुन्छ यस्तै कहिलेकाहीँ you don't want to leave the stream open formula and then त्यो cleaning up कामहरु चाहिँ finally nothing. If there is any cleaning up, right? Cleaning up, cleaning up, finally right? So what we can do is now, so finally, establish. You have to sign it, of course, right? See, so yeah, I can buy for now. You covered I am finally got I. Right? Was no okay. So that's right. All right. So let's go to our the next lesson. The next thing we're going to talk about is smoothing this book. 16 plus 16. Oh, sorry. 16. Still loading, or it's going to take a while. Okay. Okay, HTML files, HTML files. This is much faster. 10 minutes per seat, 10 minutes per seat, please join again. Okay, 10 minutes per seat, please join again. Right? Okay, so here it is. Right? Let's go into object-oriented concepts. So these are very, very important, right? So now, okay, basically, so I mean, we haven't done any object-oriented. Okay, so okay, so object-oriented concepts. So object-oriented, what is object-oriented? All right, so object-oriented. So what is object-oriented? Yeah, objects. So what are objects? Objects can be classes objects. Object oriented सबैले गर्नु भएको छैन there is a certainly going isn't that right? So very good. So this anyway my classes are some come as a classes as instances. Okay. All right. So let's recap. I think that's my recap. What are objects? Right? What are classes? What are objects? What is object oriented basically? It's a paradigm. I know it's a concept. It's very powerful. I know. So I guess object oriented. It's still a dominant. It's just alternate positive. So I mean, so let's think object oriented is a way of real world entities and real world. And yeah, there's direct mapping in our programming model, right? Real world entities are real world is an objects real world. This called direct mapping. We can map directly that into our programs. Right? I'm a computer program, that's why the code, right? Code must say direct mapping on a second. So let's say for example, I'm writing an application for the tourism industry, whatever. Right? So what are my objects? Right? The tourist and a hotel and destination. Right? See, track. See all these. So these are direct mapping. This direct mapping, and then you can actually create those real objects into real world objects and real world things. त्यसको direct mapping, you know, in the programming world, right? And then so you can also codify or encode their their state as well as their behavior. The state or behaviors play encode गर्न मिल्छ, हैन? So it's के भन्छ भन्दाखेरि we create a bunch of those instances, हैन? हरेक त्यो objectsहरूको instances बनाउने, and these instances, हैन, they interact with each other. एकअर्कासँग interact गर्छ, they send message to each other, they call each other, they send they return back the value. So त्यसले गर्दा के हुन्छ, त्यहाँ एउटा जालो हुन्छ, this dynamic live, हैन, त्यो network हुन्छ. That's how our programs work, because those objects that we build, the instances that we build from these objects, they are actually very active, very live. Right? They are, so they are talking to each other basically, right? And this is specific to network. So that's how your program works. Right? You see, your class, there are so many instances at play. Right? There's so many instances, objects they are at play now, right now. So it's very simple concept, but very powerful, right? So okay, let's see. So okay, so now let's talk about what are of a Python case. Python is fully object oriented. It's the other languages, the Java, C++, and then C is not object oriented, right? And it's the language case, they are not fully object oriented, language design or like, so they are like, for example, when you're let's say primitive type servants, say int, float, double, this. So character. Now, these are all primitive types. They are not objects, right? They're object point. Object equivalent. It's the int primitive object, integer object say so float company, so float just there is a corresponding the object there's still that primitive types. For Python, there are no primitive types. Everything is an object. Everything is an object. Not even have to go int, string, float, this triple dictionary, and what else? Whatever. They're objects, fully objects. Okay. So what are classes and objects? Okay, class class is the blueprint, or that the master copy. Okay? Your master copy, so once we build that, any real world entity code, programming world mapping, the real world entity we create a class. Similar your example, the tourism, right? Tourism industry. So okay. Destination, right? Destination. I can create a class for that destination, right? And this is this thing a master copy, right? Tourist. So usko I can create a class, okay? And then I can create as many copies of that as many copies as required, right? Okay, so that's what classes and objects are basically, right? So let's try. Okay? So we have less than this, but so you disconnect when you take the very far. Right there. Okay. So let's try. Let's write our first class. Okay, let's see. I want to write okay. So this is how you write class. Class, okay. When you're at the car, for example, let's just say you're a car manufacturer. So we're writing an application. So like a car when you're a class page. Yeah. Okay, or a car rental. So class car and column and pass nothing. There's nothing happening. Just a class symbol. So you got to be car class. So I just created a class called R. And you would have याद गर्नु होला कि जहिले पनि यो class को नाम चाहिँ नि capitalize गर्नु है capitalize गर्नु so that we can distinguish अझ यसलाई यसको instantiate गर्दाखेरि फेरि तपाईँको function calls जस्तो देखिन्छ अनि त्यसले चुक्याउँछ कि so it's always a good idea to capitalize right capitalize although capitalize नगरे पनि काम नहुने चाहिँ होइन है फेरि that you need to capitalize so that सबैको काम सजिलो हुन्छ everybody confusion right okay so this I'll just disconnect right now and please join join so rather than this and here okay, please join